Hey everyone, I am Mohan. Welcome back to VirtualVisa. Are you planning for a quick, budget friendly international trip from India? Then your go to option would be Sri Lanka. The good news is Indians does not need a traditional visa to enter Sri Lanka. But here is where many people get confused. Do we need an ETA to enter Sri Lanka? Whether it's a really free service or we have to pay something for this visa? And what mistakes can get your ETA rejected? In this video, I will show you the complete Sri Lanka visa process step by step, the latest 2026 update on Sri Lanka ETA, what is the fee, documentation required, and what is the processing time, and what mistakes you should avoid during this process. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into the video. Right now, Sri Lanka is one of the most searched international destination by Indians. Why? Because it's budget friendly, short flight time, and easy visa process. That's why the ETA searches are booming right now. What is ETA? ETA means electronic travel authorization. It's not a full visa. It's a simple online approval process you have to complete before visiting Sri Lanka. Once approved, you can stay in Sri Lanka for up to 30 days, and also it's extendable. Go to Google and type Sri Lanka ETA. You will find this official link. Click this link. This will take you to the immigration page. This is the home page. You can see a lot of instructions being given in this page. Just read it out, and there is an option called apply. Please click this apply, and you have to go through these terms and conditions, and bottom of the page you will find I agree. Here you can see three different types of ETAs: tourist, business, and transit. I'm going to apply for a tourist ETA as an individual. I'm going to click this option, and there is an option to book as a group or for the third party. I'm going to apply for an individual. In this page, you have to provide all your passport related details and travel related details. Let's start with surname. I'm going to give all dummy data here, but please make sure you're entering all the details as per your own passport without any spelling mistakes. Date of birth. Again, you have to re-enter your date of birth, gender, nationality, and country of birth. And here you have to enter the passport number. Again, I'm going to give all dummy details just for demo purpose. Again, re-enter your passport number, passport issue date, and passport expiry date. And the next category is very important, because if your child name is already added into your passport, then you have to enable this option and enter all the details here. If it's not, you can unselect it and proceed to the next stage. The next stage is the travel information. Here you have to enter all your travel related details. Last 14 days where you have been, and visa how many days you have required. And here you can see you are allowed double entry only. It's not multiple entry, it's a double entry visa. Within 30 days you can visit 2 times to Sri Lanka. And arrival date. And the next category is purpose of visit. Here please don't choose this MICE tourism, because it's only for meetings, conferences. You have to choose sightseeing or holidaying. This is the option you have to choose if you are going for a tourism purpose. And the contact detail, your current contact detail, the address as per your current passport. I'm just giving again all dummy data here. Please make sure this address matches your passport address. Once the address is done, they will ask for your address in Sri Lanka where you're going to stay. I'm going to give my hotel address. You have to have a confirmed hotel booking. So once the email ID and telephone number is done, you come to the final part, which is the declaration. You have to answer these three questions. Please read the question before answering. Mostly it will be no, but read the question carefully. So once you answered all these three questions, There will be a tick box. Please click it and click next. This is the confirmation page. Whatever detail you have entered so far will be reflecting here. All your passport related detail, travel related, hotel related details will be reflecting here. If everything is okay, then you can proceed to the next stage. Otherwise, there is an option to change. Click the change button to edit the detail. If everything is fine, you can proceed to the you can submit and proceed to the next stage. Yes, you have to click OK. And again, because of the fraudulent transaction, they have given this pop-up. Click OK. So that's it. Your final reference number is generated. You can use this reference number to track your application. And also there is a link provided here to check the status of your ETA. You can see this link. You can use this link to check the current status of your ETA. Usually it will take just 5 to 10 minutes to get approval. Meanwhile, you can print this acknowledgement slip by clicking here. You can save as a PDF document, or directly you can take a hard copy through the printer. I'm going to show you how to check the ETA status. I'm going to click this link. In this page, you have to enter either a confirmation code. Currently, we don't have a confirmation code. So I'm going to click this tick box and enter my passport number and nationality. With these details, they can retrieve your current status. I'm going to click it and check status. Here you can see my application number, passport number, country, date, traveling date, and here the status shows pending. So if you check after 5 or 10 minutes, definitely you will get an approved status in this page. So this is how you have to apply your Sri Lanka ETA. This section is very important. Please don't skip it. Applying on fake websites. Many people uses agent website and overpay for their visas. Always use official immigration link. For Sri Lanka ETA, this is the official link. I'll give this link in the description below. Kindly check it out. Wrong passport details. Since it's an online based approval process, please enter all your passport related details carefully. Please don't make any spelling mistakes during this process. Even a small mistake can lead to your visa rejection. Last minute application. Apply your visa at least 2 to 3 days before your travel date. No return tickets. During this ETA process, you would have noticed we have not entered the return date anywhere in the application. That means the immigration officer may ask these questions during the immigration interview. Please carry your return ticket confirmation during your trip. You don't need many documents to enter Sri Lanka, but keep these documents ready with you. A passport with at least 6 months validity, confirmed return flight ticket, confirmed hotel booking, and proof of sufficient funds. Apply directly online and save money. Keep both soft copy and hard copy of your ETA. Plan your itinerary clearly, and the travel insurance is highly recommended for all your international trips. And if you're still confused about the international beach vacation between Sri Lanka, Maldives, and Mauritius, I have done a comparison video of all these three beautiful destinations for Indian travelers. Please check it out. The link is in this iCard. So, this is the complete Sri Lanka ETA visa process for Indians. Now, tell me in the comments, are you planning to travel Sri Lanka for this summer? And also, if you're looking for videos on budget trips, budget travel, visa guide, visa processes, I have done a lot of visa processing videos in my channel. Kindly check it out. If this video helped you, please like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Virtual Visa. I make international travel simple for Indians. Thanks for watching. I am Mohan, signing off.